FTC4 production. Welcome back to my channel, my people from another planet. Thank you for your unconditional support. Thank you for your eternal backup. Thank you for sticking around always. FTC4 production is the channel who is engaged to look out for those who need it the most. Working family, low income people. This channel is not here to sell you. This channel is only looking out for a way for you to make money, to make yourself better, to build yourself a portfolio, but the best of everything, for free. Today I'm looking for you to look for a way to add up to $300 a month, $400 a month, or between $100 to $400 a month in passive income, storing other people's stuff. You might say, hey Frank, how in heaven I will be able to capable to do that? Storing other people's stuff? I don't have a towing services or a moving company. No, it doesn't. It's not about that. It's plain and simple. Have extra space and want to make money off of it? Maybe you have got a new used driveway, garage, basement, shed, or parking spot. If it is just sitting there, you could turn that unused space into passive income every single month without ever lifting a finger. Naver is a website, which is the one that you can see here right now, that lets you rent out your unused space to make extra money on autopilot. Seriously, I'm really serious. I'm not making this up. For real. You just have to sign up on their website right here where it says have a garage or unused space. Get started below. You put your first name, last name, email, password, phone number, agree to the terms of service, which you have to read. I would recommend it, and list your space. It's free to list your space. You just have to sign up on their website, list what space you have available, and people in your city can rent out your unused space to store this stuff while paying your premium for the storage. The entire process works seamless, and money is deposited into your account automatically. You don't even need to move anything. You re-enter, will move their stuff in and out on their own while you collect a sweet paycheck month after month. Oh, and you're protected by up to a $1 million in liability insurance too. Sign up today to see how much you can earn. See how much you can earn. It's as simple as that. You get paid to store things. You can earn between $100 to $400 a month. We can use the space, $1 million in host liability protection. You pick who, what, and when things are stored. You're the boss in here. Okay? Help a local neighbor that needs a storage space. The most easy and passive income that you can get. Automatic monthly deposit to your bank account. I am bringing this up because I actually got into that conversation with some members of my family, and they had, some of them have properties, Some of them don't have that much space, but some of them have massive space that they can do anything. And they just say, no, I have that for the kids. I want my kids to play around, which they play in the playground. But we actually started wondering, wait, what if you can actually use some of those spaces and rent it out to make extra money and pay your mortgage back? Have you ever thought about that? Well, we actually got to the conclusion that there probably wasn't something that existed like that. And if there is, it will be us doing it on our own. I started to make research and checked over that because I myself have a property too that have a space available. So I can probably do something about that to give extra income. Now, when it comes to automatic monthly deposit to your bank account, man, this is the most easy and passive income that you can get. Just for the space that you might have in your backyard or something. You don't need to do that much. I mean, I strongly recommend it. You can't go wrong with this. Alright? And the best of everything, you do this locally. I mean, it's around the area that you know. Most likely people are gonna come to you. And you can supervise if you want, but I hope that this is information that I actually believe is gonna be very beneficial for all of you, especially the one who have the space to rent. And this is how it works. You probably might be wondering how can I do that? I mean, there gotta be a catch. Well, become a host in 3 easy steps. You gotta list your spaces. You gotta tell them neighbors about your spaces and how much you would like to earn. Number two, respond to renters. Review renter requests, including what they want to store and when, and approve them. And then step three, schedule a move in. Schedule a moving time with your new renter, and that's it. You may actually see them in Forbes, Today, Wall Street Journal, Bloomfield, Bloomer, Bloomberg. I'm sorry, the Penny Holder, Axios, Business Insider, TechCrunch, Forbes. Alright, so he's actually the new host that love the neighbor website. I am not putting them in here because as soon as I put this in here, I can guarantee you YouTube is gonna come afterward and hit me, knock me out. So I'm not really planning to do that. I'm sorry, but that's the reason why I normally leave the URL down below so you can come on your own and check this out on your own. Rent out any storage space, no matter the size. There you go. List only a portion of your space or entire rooms on Naver. Whatever space you have, they can help you to rent it out. Look at this. This is a garage, driveway, parking lot, basement, bedroom. I mean, you name it, an attic. I mean, you can actually rent anything that you think it might be valuable. Look at the car pot. Shipping containers. I mean, it's just sky's the limit. Look at this. Probably, I don't know. That's here in the garage. Wow. Look at that picture. How can she doesn't like this? But it happens. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this. I believe it's a great idea. I hope that this doesn't distortion your plans already that you have for the day. But this is it. I mean, okay. I mean, they have thought of everything. You are in control. You choose when and how renters use your space. No need to give them a key or code unless you want to. Two, guarantee money in your pocket. He changed the way that he approached to us. Well, guarantee money in your pocket. Well, we have got your back. As simple as sweeping. No paperwork or no hassle. Alright. I'm gonna put the URL down here so you can actually come on your own and check and click whatever you want. But you have to understand, please. Um, I'm a YouTube influencer, and my channel is about free. I'm not here to sell you anything. So things like that, I mean, like advocating for somebody else, I mean, it's not how we do business. So, anyways, I'm gonna leave it up to this point. Please write me down below if you use this system. If you think that you can be able to do so, let me know. If really you got happy on this. Good luck until the next video. Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.